Share the moments of your pure Michigan experience. Enjoy winding roads and wildlife as you transition from work to home. Share this incredible country estate with the Blue Heron and its community in Webster Township. This charming estate perched high above rolling hills on nearly 13 pastoral acres will take your breath away. This contemporary-style home is built for making memories. This light-filled custom-built home boasts nearly 3,500 square foot, 3-bedroom 2.5 bath, oversized 2-car attached garage with workshop capabilities. Lovely and easy to maintain horse barn with 6 stalls, chicken coop, electricity, tack room. Property boasts 5 paddocks and 2 pastures for grazing and exercising your animals. Enjoy the reflection of the stars on your fully stocked 1/4 acre pond. Do not miss this wonderful opportunity. This wonderful property abuts the Independence Lake Recreation Area and the Blue Heron Bay Splash Pad. You also have